Face coal refers to the powder that falls off during the screening process of raw coal and contains a part of particles about 1 centimeter, commonly known as face coal, powder coal, or foam coal. Since the speed of the surface coal ball pressing machine is too fast and too slow will affect the quality of the ball, does it mean that the output of the surface coal ball pressing machine is fixed? The answer is obviously not necessarily. Under the conditions of the other parameters of the ball pressing machine, it is not impossible to increase the output by increasing the speed. First, to ensure the material conditions want to increase the output by increasing the speed. The first thing to do is to ensure the adaptability of the material to rapid prototyping, such as whether the binder content can be increased. The second is to increase the pressure of the ball press. While increasing the speed, we can increase the pressure of the surface coal ball press accordingly. If you want to increase the speed and pressure of the way and method to increase production, you need to ensure sufficient feed at the same time.